Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to disconnect someone from Viber in this tutorial. Let's get started. Open Viber on your device first. Open the chat of the person that you want to disconnect with. Tap on the three dots at the top right. Tap on Chat Info. Scroll down. Tap on Block this contact. By doing so, this person won't be able to text or call you anymore. To unblock, simply tap on Unblock at the top. And that is how to disconnect someone from Viber. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.